In this video you will learn how to create multiple accounts in Yahoo Mail. Sign out of your current Yahoo account, go to Yahoo Mail and click on your profile icon in the top right corner, then select sign out. Go to your Yahoo sign up page, click create a new account on your Yahoo login page to start the registration process. Fill out the registration form, enter your first and last name, desired email address, password, mobile number and date of birth. Verify your mobile number. Yahoo will send you a verification code via SMS. Make sure to enter the code to confirm your phone number. Complete the account setup. Once verified, your Yahoo email account will be verified and be ready to use. Repeat the process for additional accounts. Sign out of the new account and follow the same steps to create more Yahoo accounts using different emails or mobile numbers for each one. Now you know how to create multiple Yahoo accounts in Yahoo Mail. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.